You probably know by now that we finished off phase one of our Elemental website course on our YouTube channel. And by the way, if you can't access it via YouTube channel because of the membership being restricted in your country, there's a link where you can go and get it for a one-off fee as well. Now, phase one is complete and we covered off three amazing websites. We did a blogging website, we did an accountant website, and we did a dentist website. And we didn't just talk about the structure and strategy and branding, but we looked at solutions for how to convert, how to think about the funnel of the website, what is the point of the website, SEO and AEO. Now, phase two will kick off at the end of January 2026, and we'll be diving into a WooCommerce website. And again, I'm going to show you some amazing ways of how to make your website a bit more exciting, enticing, and hopefully convert people to make a sale. And after that, we'll be moving into phase three. And that's where I would love to know some of your comments as to what you would like to see. Would you like me to touch base back again on something we already did? Or maybe look at other types of websites. Hey, I can't meet every single request. Now, I've already got some ideas for what we're going to do. So make sure you stay signed up to our channel for our exclusive website design course videos. And they seriously are exclusive. I'm not going to be releasing them at any time and make them free. No, they are part of our package. And if you can't sign up, there is a one-off fee where you can get access to them as well. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I love the journey we're on. I know loads of you enjoying it. Stay with me. Take care. See you soon. Bye.